Hello friends, welcome to my channel Afreen Gill. Today I am going to share some thoughts about Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a holiday celebrated by Americans on 4th Thursday of November. It celebrates the story of the Pilgrim's meal shared with the Native Americans and is reserved as a day to spend with loved ones for giving thanks. Long time ago, this tradition was started by Native Americans by sharing a dinner with not Native Americans, just being thoughtful of immigrants or the people who were not native to America, or aliens just like me. So thoughtfulness turned into tradition and tradition became a national holiday. Americans generally believe that their Thanksgiving is modeled on a 1621 harvest fest shared by the English colonists of Plymouth and Native Americans. Most families observe Thanksgiving with a large family feast. Since Thanksgiving Day is celebrated by the end of November, which is fall, and all the Thanksgiving decorations are also fall colors like orange, yellow, and harvest fruits and veggies are also used as Thanksgiving decor. Nowadays, Thanksgiving dinner has become very fancy, but originally Thanksgiving dinner was a very humble meal. It consisted of a turkey, green beans, mashed potatoes, corn, cranberry sauce, and sweet potato pie. All these are harvest foods. The reason roast turkey being the centerpiece of the Thanksgiving dinner table is that it's a very big bird and you can feed a lot of people with one roasted turkey. Now I'm going to share with you a story of a little boy who had a very tough life and had to face many struggles and many losses in his life. He was born in a small village in Kentucky, and his parents were farmers. He lost his younger brother. Then at the age of 9, he lost his mother. A flash flood washed away corn and pumpkin crops that he had planted with his father. Then in a court petition, he lost his family farm in Kentucky. After losing everything, he had to move to Indiana with his family empty-handed. In Indiana, he had to face a blazing fire with his family and take shelter. He faced failure in his business as well, and the woman he loved and wanted to get married died. And later in life, when he got married, 3 of his children also died in infancy. After practicing law for many years, he pursued his career in politics. But in 20 years, he struggled and all the time he failed. He was defeated 8 times. Within a course of 20 years, he struggled. And finally, in 1861, he became the 16th president of the US. His name was Abraham Lincoln. And in year 1863, he proclaimed Thanksgiving to be an official holiday. In 1865, he was shot and killed. Wow, what a story. But definitely I can see that he had a very, very thankful heart. As you see now, the year 2020 has been very, very tough for many people. A lot of people have lost their jobs, their homes, almost everything, and a lot of people have lost their loved ones, their family members, and a lot of people are hurting around us too. And it might seem out of question to be thankful, but we need to focus on what we have and not on what we have lost. So let's take some time and look around for people who are hurting, for those who are lonely, or enduring a loss of a loved one. You will definitely find someone who might need a hug, or some kind words of encouragement, or even few hours spent together, maybe sharing a meal, a simple meal together, or it even could be a fancy Thanksgiving dinner. If we focus on God's amazing blessings, then we have a thankful heart and we are more willing to share. God has blessed us so much. So let's share and let's be thankful.